Hello and welcome back to Project Zomboid. So, if you remember where we left off with me getting a new car and me needing to change the volume settings because I realized how fucking loud the sounds were. That should hopefully be better. We'll see, though. I already slept. We are ready to keep going with the day, you know? Maybe this rain is a little loud still. Oh, well, it is what it is. Where were we again? Ah, yes. We're almost to the intersection. How's the tomahawk durability still amazing? I have speed. Dude. Lovely. We are no, we're even right now. Alright. A few zombies here. Not a scary amount, just average. Fuck. Okay, now this is scary. This might be where the run ends, for 3 reasons. Yeah, it is the pit stop. I'm thinking, fuck. We need to get very low. Something blocks my way here, there goes our car. And I need this car to run long enough to get out of this town, because if it doesn't, then there goes all of the loot we've accumulated over time. Stop car show, really? Why is there a car show? I mean, I can see it. I hate going through this town. Specifically due to this car show. Like, why isn't that out there? It's not a good car show, that's just a car show. But over time, you get used to it, and I did find out that driving on the left side is better than the right side. So, you know. Nice. It's just like, yeah, that's why I don't like this place. Oh, are you fucking shitting me? I boxed in. I boxed in. Oh, don't do that. Come on. Goes our hood. I have to be okay, right? Okay, we're stopping here. D4 to AP fucking... That's a gun APC? Yo. Yo, okay, wait. How much storage does it have? Fucking phone. Okay, I need to deal with the zombies before I go dilly-dallying with anything. I should take. This one's 63 condition, which is fun. Okay, 125 swords was something that I immediately noticed. Holy shit. This has to be the upgraded version. It has a fucking gun on it. And this one's better condition. Okay. Alright. I know what I'm doing today. I'm gonna read some books. I have the key for... I don't know, guys. Might be willing to take the APC. I don't know. Need to make up my mind. If I take the APC, that... Loud. Fuck. Right there. I'm gonna do something stupid. This car I'm driving is already loud as hell, dude. If I get another loud as hell car, and this thing attracts so many fucking Zeds, I'm gonna regret my decision, obviously. But fuck. It's stupid, especially for me, someone who loves military fucking vehicles. I want a car that's actually wild. Now I get an APC is definitely a viable car in the apocalypse. The way it can get damaged is like... I know I can't be talking with how my car is damaged, but like... This would have made it viable. I'm not going back. Town car? Yes or no? Lincoln Town car. Okay. This is something I'm interested in. For the specific reason of the armor. Fuck, I need to find a book for it, don't I? 93, it'd be 93. 93. Yeah, I can. Holy shit. Okay. This is why I would, yeah. Okay. Is that a mutt? Yo, wait. Hold up, retract what I just said. Is that a fucking mutt? Really, zombies? Why do y'all have to exist? I like the aesthetic of that thing, but it's burnt to a crisp. Literally. There's another mud up there, though. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna read the metalworking book. I'm gonna dump all of my shit into that trailer. I'm gonna take the car to the nearest gas station. I'm gonna fill up the propane. Yeah, okay. I know what I'm doing. I'm getting that town car because it's quiet and it's actually decent. I know this is like stupid as hell, but you have to hear me out. Having that car would be better than having an APC with the repairability. That's the only reason I'm thinking of this. The repairability of that thing is insane. Okay. The trailer is unlocked. That can't hold everything. Fuck. Take the ammo, the axes. All the ammo. The weapons. Just take everything that matters. Take the flamingos. Alright, let's see what we have left after we do all this. Really? Okay, let's see. We have 2 gas cans. Dump them in there. Here we have... fuck. Take the tire repair kits. Take the sledge. Take the axes. Fuck, you can't carry it. Fuck, okay. Grab the axes, grab the saw, grab this, grab this, grab this, grab this. See what we can shove into the back of this thing. You never know. You know what? We can... The books can stay... I'll dump the books on the ground since I'm coming back. And I'm going to read all those. I'm going to put on the welding mask. I'm going to put this in my bag. I'm going to drop this on the ground temporarily. I will be back for it, I promise. I'm going to take the propane torch. Right? No. Leave these on the ground for now. Because I'm just going to run in and only fill the... whatchamacallit? That, yeah. Alright, oh, I need to read all these maps. Honestly, dump all of these on the ground for now. We're taking that town car. I don't care what y'all say. We are taking that town car. Alright. quickly drive to the gas station, fill up the propane torch, learn how to weld, de-weld everything, upgrade the town car, then we get out of here and go to the police station. That's the plan, gang. So I'm telling you right now, I think it'd be worth it. That's definitely a sight to see, a car that I actually like burnt to a crisp. Here. But like I said, that town car, easiest to maintain, and it's somewhat quiet with Speed Demon. But we're gonna get the quickest route into the gas station. Fill that shit up. It's not my inventory. I'm gonna fuck off. Yo? Holy shit, what just saved my ass? Okay, what the fuck? I have propane and gasoline on. What? Alright. Where are they, guys? Problem solved. Alright, how the fuck do I fill this shit? Alright. I have the propane and gasoline mod on, right? Propane and gasoline. I'm tripping. What the fuck? Why can't I? What? Oh, that's some bullshit. Oh, that's some horse shit. What the fuck? Alright, give me a minute. I'll be back in a second. Alright, I should have fixed it now. Yup. There we go. See, look at that. Problem fucking solved. It wasn't that hard either. It's just me being an idiot, I guess. Alright, we need some... Ooh. Try to empty water bottle. I'll take that gladly. Let's get some food. Just for the road. Alright, let's get back there. Let's read the books, and then let's start upgrading that town car. Don't have a wrench. Food in our bag, that's good. box condition looking. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, Lord. More maps I would gladly take. Alright. Well, Tomahawk, you were good, but you're about to explode, so I'll keep you. Water, 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 water. If I forget the water, I die. It's not even a joke. I have high thirst. Jesus Christ, holy shit, that's a giant water bottle. What the fuck? Fucking water bottle. What the fuck? When it said giant water bottle, I didn't think it'd be the fucking ocean. That shit is the entire passenger seat, dude. Holy hell. Let's look it back to the cars. It's interesting how I get a car and then I dump it pretty quick. I mean, burglar is lovely though. Having a truck or something like that would be nice, but I could have got a police version of it, but I didn't. Whoa. Fucking pick up everything on the ground. Go, 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 go. Really? That's wild. There's just not... You know... This is a lovely experience, dude. Really? Hey, at least we're getting a better car out of this. And yes, I'm not stopping this video till we get a better car out of it. The reason I have all the maps is I just have all the maps, alright? There aren't. Those guys just aren't nearby. You know? They're all the way over there. It's pretty far away if you ask me. Now you turning bad at eyes. Wild. Alright. I will cut you guys once I'm done reading. Alright, so I have learned very important things. I need screws for everything. That is something I don't have. I did find a scalpel, though. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know about, I don't know. We still made progress and got some metal. That's all that really matters. It's not a lot of metal. It's Enough to make one protection. Let me actually look at something. So you have this, right? What about that, huh. Interesting. What? That military fuel truck? No. Is not appetizing. But I just have to say, it is interesting that... Alright, we'll look for screws tomorrow, but, yeah. I guess thank you guys for watching, and, yeah. We'll see you next time. Sorry for the kind of disappointing episode. Thanks!